My daughter Elizabeth again just brought me some corn dog.
So we have a classic chili cheese dog,
Uh-huh.
bun, beef brisket hot dog.
Uh-huh.
We got some cheddar cheese,
Mm.
chili with some pinto and some beef in it.
Wow,
Some onions,
sounds so
jalapeno.
good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I cannot
Some
wait to
peppers
try.
on the side.
Look at that, guys. You see that? It's crazy. I've been wanting to eat a cheese dog or a chili cheese dog type of deal.
They don't have
So
them in Utah.
yeah, and my daughter decided to make me one. Look at that guy. You see that cheese and that sweet onion and some jalapenos right on top, and that okay, and that's made me so hungry already. Let's give it a try. Okay. Mmm.
Chewy dog.
Mmm.
Pretty filling.
Mmm.
I wasn't sure if it would be too salty because it's hot dog,
Very nice
with
one.
chili and cheese.
Yeah, you can see the chili dogs in there. That bean right there. Very cheesy. Very nice one. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're
I'm
welcome.
gonna
You want
taste
some
it with that.
Sicilian
What's it
spice?
called? Some kind of jalapeno chili.
They're called sport peppers.
Sport pepper, that's what she said. Let's give it a try. I know it's spicy and sour.
Yeah, super
Mm.
spicy actually. They use it on the Chicago style hot dogs.
Mm. Chicago style hot dog, huh? Mm. Guys. Mm. Oh my God. Okay, so another bite here. You could see all this bean on top. Mm. No,
Yeah, I don't know how people eat this on the street. It's just good everywhere.
very nice. Mm. Very good, Con. Thank you so much.
Enjoy
I'll
it.
try to finish. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm gonna go
Mm.
back and
Yes, thank you. Very nice, guys. I like that pepper. Kind of spicy. A lot more sour than I thought. They really go together with this thing here. You can see that. Yeah, juicy. Mm. Oh. I always have lunch very late. Now, when you work around, run around, and always working all the time. So when you're hungry, it's like, just wait a little bit, just wait a little bit. Until, either my wife or my kid make me some lunch. Very grateful for all my kids that understand, you as a daddy now, It's very nice. Really happy about that. All my kids is really nice, they really take care of me. So thank you, Cole. All of you, Elizabeth, Elaine, Amber, and Kimberly. You guys are the best. Thank you. Keep it up. Mm. Mm. Very nice. Very cheesy, and the brisket is really nice and tender. So, okay, look at that. Woo. Mm. I'm gonna grab myself a Coke. It goes together with that. Hot dog, a burger, or a taco. It's a finger licking good, okay? It's a mess, but hey, it's a mess, but it's a finger licking good. That's what I'm trying to say. It's good. It's good, guys. Mmm. I said I'm gonna grab a Coke. So let's go get a Coke. A mini Coke, guys. A mini Coke. Let's open it up. Oh, that sound. Oh, God. I got to America right around 1979, 80, something like that. Coke. I mean, during that period of time, hungry for soda, any kind of soda. But, I always stay with Coke. Why? I'm not quite sure. But anyway, cheers. Wow. hot dog, hamburger, pizza, taco, Coke, man. Coke is the best. Mm.
ต้องเอาเลยเลยเอาเลยเลยทุกชนิดเลย
Mm. Mm. Last bite. Mm. Amazing. When you eat a hot dog, or burger, or pizza, or taco, well, feels like home. Very comfortable food. Comfort food, that's the word right now. And it's awesome. It's empty, guys. So I finish it. Get another sip of Coke. And have a good night, guys. Okay, once again, have a good night. David Bram, Salt Lake City, Utah. See you next time in the next video. Thank you so much.